Hi friends, so this is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to use Schedule Send in Apple Mail app on Mac. Apple has finally added long-awaited Schedule Send feature in Apple Mail app. Schedule Send does just what you would expect. It allows you to compose messages in mail and schedule them to be sent at a set time and date in the future. Hence, you can type up emails in advance when you have spare time, even if you don't intend to send them immediately. And that's exactly what makes it so handy. That said, let me show you how to use Schedule Send in Apple Mail app in macOS 13 Ventura or later. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, open the Apple Mail app on your Mac. Then click the Compose New Message button. After that, enter your intended recipients. Then add a subject title. Then compose your email. When you are done, click the downward arrow next to the send icon. From the drop-down, select Send Later. Clicking the Send Later option will bring up a clock and calendar for you to set a specific time and date. Once you have done that, click Schedule, and that's pretty much it. Your email will now be sent at the stipulated or the scheduled date and time, and that's all there is to it. You can use this very method to schedule more emails in Apple Mail app on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.